Oh, hey guys, check out this spring tension curtain rod, right? This thing is amazing. Now let me tell you right off the bat, they sent this to me as a gift because I needed some kind of separation from my laundry room to my basement, right? And let me tell you, this curtain holder came through, right? This is gonna be some tight tension, anywhere from 23 to 42 inches, right? From that 20 to 40 inch. And this comes with an extender to hit those long reaches, right? And not only does this tension curtain rod come with an extender, it also comes with these 2 wall pieces and some double-sided tape to pop it up. So you know what? It don't even have to be up in a doorway, right? So all in all, I am loving this high quality material. It's nice and sturdy. I put some pressure on it and it wouldn't fold under pressure. Nope, it was strong, it was sturdy, it connected with the ease, and it adjusted with some tension. So all in all, if you need a little tension tight curtain rod to hang up some curtains, because the ends come off of this, so you can slide those curtains on and then pop that end back on, and it's gonna have that great tension. So I'm very impressed with this curtain rod, and I think you will be too.